my camera.
Look at Annalie. Hold on, don't let me miss any fun.
What an idiot. Jump in the water.
Oh,
What an idiot.
where is he?
He's in the pool.
Oh my god. How's he gonna get in the house if he's soaking wet?
Take down the other umbrella. No, take down that umbrella. You should have done this yesterday.
Was he gonna throw it in the pool? It's still a weapon on the ground. Oh my god, he's gonna slip and break his neck.
Get your bathing suits and stuff. Get the bathing suits. Get the bathing suits. Go get the bathing suits.
That thing is still gonna blow away and kill us.
And yours over there.
Anna, that's Daddy in the hurricane. Oh my god, those chairs need to be go in the pool.
Here, somebody take these.